Have you ever struggled to learn a new language, a complex skill, or a hobby? You're not alone. But what if I told you there are scientifically proven strategies to boost your learning power? Learning skills aren't just for students. They're for everyone who wants to keep their brain sharp and adaptable throughout life. Understanding the brain. Let's dive into the science behind learning. When we learn something new, our brains create new neural pathways, connections between brain cells. These pathways strengthen with practice, making recalling information and performing tasks easier. Here are some key players in the learning process. Hippocampus. This memory center consolidates information into long-term memory. Prefrontal cortex. This area is responsible for planning, decision-making, and working memory, crucial for absorbing new information. Dopamine. This neurotransmitter rewards us for learning, motivating us to keep going. Science-backed learning strategies. 1. Active learning. Forget passive learning like reading or watching lectures. Engage actively. Take notes, ask questions, discuss with others. Studies show it leads to better retention and understanding. 2. Spaced repetition. Cramming doesn't work. Spread out your study sessions. Research shows that spaced repetition strengthens neural pathways over time. 3. Interleaving. Instead of studying similar topics in a row, mix it up. This strengthens neural connections and helps you differentiate between concepts as shown in research. 4. Retrieval practice. Testing yourself is key. Practice recalling information without looking at notes. This strengthens memory and retrieval pathways, as supported by research. Boosting motivation and metacognition. Learning isn't just about the how, but also the why. Set clear goals and visualize success. Research shows setting specific and challenging goals increases motivation. Metacognition is the ability to think about your thinking. Monitor your progress, identify areas of difficulty, and adjust your learning strategies accordingly. Real-world examples and overcoming challenges. These strategies can be applied to anything. Learning a language. Use spaced repetition apps, join conversation groups, and actively practice speaking. Mastering a skill. Break down tasks into smaller chunks, interleave with practice exercises, and test yourself regularly. Tackling a new hobby. Set clear goals. Actively seek out learning resources, join a community, or find a mentor. Remember, learning is a journey, not a destination. There will be challenges. Procrastination. Break down tasks into manageable steps and reward yourself for progress. Information overload. Focus on understanding core concepts, prioritize quality over quantity. Feeling overwhelmed. Don't be afraid to ask for help, join a study group, or find a tutor. Conclusion. By understanding the science behind learning and employing these strategies, you can unlock your full learning potential. Embrace the journey, stay curious, and keep learning. Call to action. Leave a comment below. What are you currently learning? What learning strategies work best for you? Thanks for joining us. Subscribe for more science-based content to help you reach your goals. Until next time, keep learning and keep exploring.
If you like this video, please consider subscribing for more content like this.